Are you thinking of selling your property in Mexico? Before you take the first step, ask yourself, what if you are doing it all wrong and losing thousands in taxes or legal delays? What if a missing signature turns into a legal nightmare? Or worse, what if you cannot even legally sell? These are not what ifs, they are real cases. In this video, we will walk you through the most common and costly mistakes sellers make and what to do instead to protect your deal, your money, and your peace of mind. And we have helped dozens of sellers through these exact situations at Century 21. To help you avoid these mistakes, we created a full set of free guides. You will find the links in the description or scan the QR code on the screen now. Who really owns your property? Is the title really in your name? We met sellers who say, it's my house, I inherited it. It's under a fideicomiso, so I am good. Or worse, it's still under my dad's name, but it's always been me. The name on the title doesn't match your ID, you cannot legally sell. Recommendation, get the Certificado de Libertad de Gravamen. This official document is issued by the Public Registry of Property and confirms whether a property has any liens, mortgages, legal disputes, or encumbrances. It also verifies who the legal owner is. This certificate is essential for real estate transactions to ensure the property is free of debts or legal issues. It confirms who owns the property and if it has any restrictions. Where to get it in Los Cabos? Boulevard Forjadores between Paseo de Los Cabos and Paseo Finisterra at San Jose del Cabo, Baja California Sur. Hours, Monday to Friday, 8 to 3 p.m. Here's what you will need: a copy of the property deed or the folio real number, the owner's full name, valid official ID, payment of government fees, where to check lot size, location, and taxpayer info. So Boulevard Antonio Mijares, 1924 Centro, in San Jose del Cabo, Baja California Sur. The municipal Catastro office is where you go to check the physical and fiscal titles of a property. This includes the lot size, location, land use, classification, and the name of the person responsible for paying the property taxes. It's important to note this is not where you've confirmed legal ownership, but it's a helpful step if you want to know who is listed as the official taxpayer and how the property is registered for municipal purposes. It costs little and is ready in a few days. Don't wait for a buyer to discover mistakes. Our guide, title, and legal readiness before selling includes a complete checklist. Scan the QR code or find the link below in the description. Capital gains, the silent killer. Capital gains can take up to 35% if you are not ready. If you bought for $3 million and now you are selling for $6, that gain is taxable in Mexico, unless you qualify for a tax exemption. But most foreign sellers don't. To reduce or avoid capital gains, you must prove you are a tax resident of Mexico, not just a resident visa. You must have an active RFC with SAT and file Mexican tax returns. The property is your primary home. It must be the address registered in your RFC and with your comprobante de domicilio. You owned it for over 3 years. You made improvements with valid facturas, official invoices in your name with RFC showing materials or construction work. You are up to date on predial property taxes. Most foreign owners don't qualify for this exception because they haven't declared the property as their main residence under Mexican tax law. But you may still reduce your tax bill if you own a property for several years, had facturas for major upgrades, use a simulador de impuesto with a notario or CPA. Section 3. Family complications, inheritance, divorce, and conflict. If your property is shared with a spouse, brother, sister, or parents, you cannot sell without their signature. And if someone passed away even years ago, the title still needs to be formally transferred. FACA divorce decree doesn't remove your ex from the title. You need a notarial process to update the escritura. What if one hearer doesn't want to sell? A judge can authorize the sale and hold funds in escrow. It takes time but keeps the deal alive. If a owner lives abroad, their power of attorney must be apostilled and translated to be valid in Mexico. Our guide, Selling Property After Divorce or Inheritance, walks you through this step by step. Find it in the description or scan the QR code now. It's free. Section 4. Construction, permits, and hidden risks. If the property has unregistered rooms, additions, or sheds, changes that don't match the title, you will need to update the info at Catastro and get a revaluation. Buyers, especially foreigners using a fideicomiso or a mortgage, will require that everything matches. A pre-closing assessment by an architect or notario can identify issues early. What to do before listing your property? We created a library of guides to help you avoid those mistakes. They are short, free, and written for real sellers. We are Karla and Erick from Cabo Realty, powered by Century 21. Scan the QR code now or click the links in the description. Download the guides, review your situation, and when you are ready to sell, message us. We will guide you through every step.